a good show over here. It's called the Maori Music Awards.
It's nice to be here in Hawke's Bay and Hastings and meeting this fella here and hanging out and playing some music and catching up. It'll be cool.
Great to have you here.
I'm very, very excited. I'm really happy to be here and very honoured.
Just having fun. Fantastic.
Kia ora whānau, awesome event.
Maori Music Awards!
From the Hawke's Bay Opera House in Hastings, featuring Ria Hall, Anna Coddington, Te Awanui Reader, 1814, and Tiki Tani. Māori Television are proud to present the 2012 Waiata Māori Music Award.